Hello everybody, we are December 2018 and I wanted to give you a new movie about Pepper and the Clutchmates. So Pepper is this one here, came out of the breeding of a Het T plus male to a Batik Het T plus. That was the result. This is Pepper now. She is 1.5 years old. It's growing nicely. And this same clutch we had also one T plus albino. That's also female, just like Pepper. Pepper is also female. Then also had some normal looking ones, but with a very nice pattern. This is also the other female from that clutch. See, they're all growing up nicely. Then there were also this is a male from that clutch. It's a little bit smaller. I really like the color of that one. And then the last one in this clutch was well, it's not the last one, I had more than, but one of the other keepers is this this Batik. So this is the only Batik that I had in that clutch, and this is also a male. So right here we have 5. So 2 males and 3 females. I have another male, but this one is in the cage now. I did not remove him. So out of this clutch I kept 7. So only one of them, I had 8 babies. One was looking totally normal, did not keep it, so I sold that one. Then I had one other one with a nice pattern, a normal one with a nice pattern, who went to somebody close to where I live. I'm in the same province. And there was one totally normal baby that I also sold. I don't know, I can't even remember to who. I just put it on the internet for sale and somebody bought it, but okay, that one. So you see, this is the actual situation of Pepper with and the clutchmates, all growing up very nicely. They're feeding on rats of 100 gram. Could feed them bigger if I want, but just feed her 1 rat or something like every week. Could switch to a rat of 150 or maybe even 200 grams once every 2 weeks or something like that, but right now I'm keeping it that way. You see also this albino is also a very nice snake. I like it a lot of I don't know, people call this purple. So okay, you see, this was just to show you how these babies are turning out. And I see on these normal babies that they have a lot of black in the neck. So maybe you can see it on that one there. See, this is on the sides. You see, it's really black. A lot of black there. I like this too. Also see it on this Batik here. See, it's dark on the side. Okay. So see, they're very active, very healthy. I'm really happy the way they're growing up. Okay, bye bye.